What's up, family? Look, welcome to Alpha Talk. Look, if you follow me on social media, then you know I made a post saying I was dropping a new segment on my YouTube specifically for men, but essentially for all people, but specifically for men. And so if you know me personally, then you know that I have a burden for just seeing men being who they're called to be and doing what they're called to do. You know, in society, we have a lot of men that are out of place right now. They're going to the left and going to the right, and they're not really in the position that they need to be in. Really, I want to give you guys a quick synopsis on what this channel is going to be about. It's just a motivation, encouraging and inspiring things for men. You know, especially for the young men, because I know a lot of young men don't have anybody out there to look up to. They don't know how to be a man or really how to go about it because they don't have a role model in front of them. And so I really want this to encourage even the older men too that might be out of place. You know, they still need some guidance. I really want this to motivate and encourage you guys, because I know we have so many things for women. We see women empowerment this and women empowerment that, but we don't really have anything for the men. And so this is not a place where we will bash men. We will not bash men at all. We have enough of that going around in society. We will talk about some things that men need to improve on, as far as things, you know, just being some things that they need to develop and just traits that are not good, but we will not bash men. That's basically the gist of it, you know, just really giving some insight on how men think, because, you know, I wasn't always the man I am right now. I used to be in a place where I lacked responsibility and I lacked, you know, discipline and so many things that I just didn't do because, you know, I didn't really know how to do them, you know. And there's some of us that had a father or had a father figure or didn't even have one. And regardless of whether you had them or not, you can still lack discipline. You can still lack just really being a man and doing what you're supposed to do, doing what you're called to do as a man. And so feel free to leave any comments below, leave your thoughts. We can have discussions, because I know a lot of people are going to really enjoy this. I know I am. And so listen, one thing I want you guys to definitely do is really share these videos, really push them and get them out there, because, you know, I really want young men and just men, period, to really stand up and take their places. And I believe that this can encourage them. And also, if you would like to book me to speak to some young men or even some young people, period, or wherever, I'll leave my contact information down below in the description. So yeah, let's get into it.